Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2014 Triumph Tiger 800 XC. This adventure style motorcycle has just under 29,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. So this bike needs a set of tires. Front one, especially here in the center, is really showing some thin spots. So comes with a factory taller touring windscreen and hand guards. So this bike's had a minor tip over on both sides, as you can see on the hand guard and on the edge of the mirror, some scratches. Otherwise, the rest of the bike turned out pretty clean. Comes with the factory skid plate. And really the only, I guess I just noticed something. So I thought these saddle box mounts were the only aftermarket item on it, but I just noticed a Seat Concepts seats for rider and passenger. You can tell this bike needs a back tire as well. And again, our saddle box mounts. This has had a tip over on this side as well. Same spots. Hand guard, edge of the mirror. $28,891 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This 2014 Triumph Tiger 800 XC is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.